Quantum physics is real. We are all interconnected. And isn't that fascinating? I find it such an interesting topic to discuss today. So let me know in the comments if you've encountered this yourself. I'm sure if you think about it, you can recall moments when you've been thinking about someone and they call, they text you, just some bizarre synchronicities, coincidences, whatever you want to call it. But it is quite amazing, and I am here today to share with you some of my personal experiences with this. Maybe you can relate. Let me know in the comments. So I encounter a lot of feathers when I go out walking, which is interesting. Yes, I believe that they are significant. They mean something. Symbols, whatever it is, like we all have certain things that mean something to us. I believe feathers mean something. Maybe they're a sign and a symbol that I'm on the right path, that I'm being guided, that I'm divinely guided. So that's one thing. Also, there are countless experiences that I have had where it has happened to me where I've been thinking about someone. They will call, they will text, they will contact me, seemingly out of nowhere, just randomly. But it's, as we know, it's not random at all because we are all interconnected. But the most amazing experience that I've had with synchronicities was a couple of years ago. Now, I had a friend. We had been friends for a very long time ago. We'd been friends for 10 years or so. We'd lost contact on and off over the years. We would chat over the internet. He lives in America, I live in Australia. So we would chat, send letters. A couple of years ago, I just randomly thought about him. He popped into my mind and I just wondered, I wonder how he's going. I went to his Facebook page. I checked out his Facebook profile just to get some idea of where he is, what he's doing in his life. I thought nothing of it. I had a nap. I just went to sleep for like maybe 10, 15 minutes. When I woke up, I received a Facebook message from him. And he asked me how I was doing. He wanted to reconnect with me. We reconnected. But I mean, how do you explain that? It had literally been years since we had last contacted each other, probably about 5 or 6 years, where there was absolutely no contact. And at the exact same time that I was thinking about him, he was thinking about me to the point where he decided to reach out and send me a message. The reason why that happened is because we are interconnected. And I believe that we needed to share something together. We're no longer in contact anymore, but for that period of our lives, we were messengers to each other. We needed to teach each other something about ourselves. I believe we needed to learn something through each other. We were there in each other's lives for a season, and then we went our separate ways. But maybe you can relate to this, where people have come into your life, people from your past, or just a stranger, someone that just shows up randomly to send you a message. Maybe you don't realize it at the time, but in hindsight, you're like, wow, like if I hadn't have met that person, if they hadn't have shown up at that exact time, then I wouldn't be where I am now. I wouldn't have met this other person and had this opportunity, and so on and so forth. And that is the amazing, cool thing about life. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you can relate to these synchronicities, like seeming coincidences that happen in life. And that led you on a completely different journey that you couldn't ever have imagined if you didn't meet this person or gone down this particular path. Let me know in the comments. We are all interconnected.